Hi there. Let's talk about something that's transforming the way businesses grow online: data-driven digital marketing. Unlike traditional guesswork, data-driven marketing uses real numbers and analytics to plan, execute, and optimize your strategies. And the best part? You can see what works and what doesn't in real time. So today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step actionable plan for using data to supercharge your marketing efforts. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define clear goals. Before you start collecting data, you need to know what success looks like. A great way to do this is by setting SMART goals. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, increase website leads by 20% in 3 months. Grow Instagram engagement by 30%. Improve your email open rate to 25%. Clear goals give your data meaning and direction so you know exactly what you're aiming for. Step 2. Identify key metrics and KPIs. Metrics are how you measure success, depending on your channel. For your website, bounce rate, conversions, traffic sources. On social media, engagement, follower growth, click-through rates, email campaigns, open rates, CTR, and unsubscribe rates, paid ads, cost per click, and return on ad spend. Choosing the right metrics ensures that you focus on what truly impacts your business. Step 3. Set up tracking tools. You need accurate data to make smart decisions. Tools like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, to manage all your tracking scripts, Metapixel for Facebook and Instagram ad performance UTM parameters, to track campaign sources. These tools help you see exactly where your traffic and leads are coming from. Step 4. Gather and organize data. Now that your tools are in place, start collecting data across all platforms. Monitor traffic sources like organic, paid, and referral, and track the customer journey: pages visited, time spent, actions taken. You can even use heat maps like Hotjar to see exactly how users interact with your site. This insight is gold for understanding behavior. Step 5. Analyze your audience and segment. Look at your data to figure out who your ideal customers are and how they behave. You can segment by demographics, like age, gender, or location behavior, like pages visited or cart abandonment source, like Google, email, or social media. Then create customer personas to target the right people with the right message. Step 6. Create and personalize campaigns. Now it's time to put your insights to work. Personalize emails, landing pages, and ads based on user behavior. Retarget cart abandoners, post content on platforms where your audience is most active, and make your campaigns truly relevant. 7-step. Run A/B tests. Test different versions of your marketing assets to see what performs best. Experiment with subject lines, call to actions, ad creatives, or landing pages. Start small, then scale up what works. Finally, optimize and iterate. Use your performance data to improve campaigns continuously. Reallocate your budget to high-performing channels, refine audience targeting, and pause or tweak underperforming campaigns. That's how you turn data into growth.